In the fast-paced world of software development, productivity is key to success. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey, there's always room for improvement when it comes to getting more done in less time. Set clear goals. Define what you want to accomplish, and prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Tools like Trello, ClickUp, Jira, or simple to-do lists can help you organize your work. Time management. Effective time management is crucial. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, working in short, focused bursts with breaks, or time blocking to maximize your productivity. Find a system that suits your work style and stick to it. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate distractions in your work environment. Turn off social media notifications, use website blockers, and create a dedicated workspace that minimizes interruptions. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Mastering keyboard shortcuts for your favorite IDE, integrated development environment, and other tools can save you a significant amount of time. Invest some time in learning and practicing them. Code reviews and collaboration. Engage in regular code reviews and collaborate effectively with your team. Clear communication and feedback can prevent errors, reduce rework, and speed up development. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks wherever possible. Script deployments, tests, and other routine processes to free up your time for more critical development work. Stay organized. Maintain a clean and organized codebase. Properly comment your code, use meaningful variable names, and follow a consistent coding style. This makes it easier for you and your team to understand and maintain the code. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest technologies and industry trends. Investing in your knowledge and skills will pay off in the long run by enabling you to work more efficiently. Take breaks. Don't forget to take short breaks to recharge. Regular breaks can improve focus and prevent burnout. Use tools like the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds, to reduce eye strain. Health and well-being. Your physical and mental well-being significantly impacts productivity. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, and exercise regularly. A healthy lifestyle will enhance your energy levels and overall productivity.